Welcome guys, welcome again to another premiere on St. Thomas Redevelopment, where you see the best and what's happening on the eastern end of the island. Guys, as usual, we always have exciting coverage for you to show on the channel, so you can see all the positive things that are taking place in the parish, to see the changes that are taking place. As you can see today, excavation work is well underway. Things are happening. So here, what appears to be a ramp that the truckers use, the excavators. The men are hard at work, as you can see. Look, excavator is moving. Oh, that one have on a huge jackhammer. So for those who are still wondering what's happening in St. Thomas, this is what is happening. It's totally different from the last time we passed by. So guys, as you can see, that's a jackhammer right there. So guys, as you can see, the one to the left is a jackhammer. So you know this area has a lot of stone. This is actually Albionite, partially into Grandspen, the community of Grandspen, and active work is taking place on the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. Things are happening, the parish is heading in the right direction, and we are all excited. For those in the States and in the UK who constantly say, yo, what are the latest? Now you are able to see what's actually happening, and you can see the changes. So the road is going to run through this location right here, and the men are hard at work. So I'll show you what going further on the opposite side. So guys, further work being done on this section. Men are hard at work. Going to give you a view. So guys, this is one section of the Southern Coastal Mega Highway construction that the road will run. You can see it's wide, the direction or the path that it is taking. This is very much good development for the parish. For those investors who are still contemplating, you can see what is happening. St. Thomas is opening up to development, business opportunity. This is a great investment into the parish. Look at it, guys. They are working extremely fast. As you can see, things are happening. So that excavator right there is pounding away the stones, while another is digging away. And we'll also show you scenery from the other side. So guys, look at it. A lot of work being done. We are heading in the right direction. It's a wonderful thing for the parish. As you can see, this area is also rich in limestone. So it's not only granite St. Thomas produce, like the granites are aggregate rather, that's the wash sand and so on. We have a lot of limestones here. So that excavator right there with that heavy jackhammer pounding away. So the last time we were here, that section was being dug. So guys, as I can see, as far as the eyes can see, work taking place. So this is the Southern Coastal Highway St. Thomas Redevelopment is bringing to you. So guys, this that I'm driving on this road is the existing Grand Spen Road. Most would have been familiar with this route. This is what we have been using. So just giving you one last peek of what it is before the changes occurs. And there guys, here is another section to the Southern Coastal Highway where you see work is earnest taking place. So here you have it first guys. Heavy construction work taking place on the Southern Coastal Highway. This will open up St. Thomas for business. As I can see, how the contour of the hill, how they grade it. So you have a first-hand look of what it will be like. Stay tuned for more on the channel as we keep you updated and all the progress and the positive things that are happening in our parish. We are indeed happy, very proud of all that is taking place. As you can see, a retainer wall that basically fresh, just constructed, looking very good. So guys, strong retainer wall, very thick. And there, as you can see, the scraping a section of the hill. So it will be interesting as time progresses to see how this looks. It's a very, very, very good thing for the parish. Up top, you can see an excavator up there working away. You can see that right there. Hard at work. So guys, on St. Thomas Redevelopment, you see all the positive things happening in the parish. Changing face of the parish. Yeah, so that's it for now guys. Thank you for the support. The channel has grown tremendously, and of course I am truly grateful. So thank you once again. Here are some material that they are using to build up this side of the road. Normally this side would be flood, but this is not the road. The road is above us right now that they are constructing. So basically, I'm just giving you a tour through the construction zone. So persons can have an appreciation for what is happening, the change that is taking place. As you can see, look to that side. Lot of work taking place. That structure they are now constructing right here, I don't know if it's a road, I mean a bridge or something, but it looks pretty well engineered. So St. Thomas is on the move, and remember how this look before everything changes. So some time ago we had difficulty passing this section before we had some floods, so the road mashed up with them, and as I can see, They have made some patches to ensure more than usual, we would answer now, smoother driving. So yeah, so this is what it is like, guys. Much quicker turnaround, quicker drive. Yep, so this is in Raggae. You can see the road much smoother. So this work that the authority did has helped us tremendously. There was a bus new side, but change man, look much better, you know, smoother, more comfortable drive. Yeah. So for all those persons who would have used this section, you know what it was like, you would have to be going two sides of the road, especially this corner that we are going to go down. You can see that they have done something great.